Today, we're going to unbox this new memory foam mattress topper that was sent to us to try out. They sent us the 3-inch version for a queen bed, but they also have a 4-inch version for a variety of bed sizes from twin up to California king. Inside, they have included a user manual, which I'm hoping will tell us how to set it up properly. And it looks like they also included a cutting tool for the plastic that the mattress topper is shrunk wrap in. So here's the instructions on how to unpack the mattress. I like that each step is accompanied by a diagram so you can also see what the topper is supposed to look like at each step of the way. And here's also some care instructions on how to clean the mattress topper. So now we're going to take the mattress topper out of the box. As mentioned before, the entire topper is shrink wrapped in plastic, so let's go ahead and cut the plastic so we can take the mattress topper out. I think this cutting tool they provided is designed so you can carefully cut the plastic without damaging the actual mattress topper. So we're going to roll this mattress out onto our bed. It's actually quite compressed and currently quite thin, so I'm guessing it will take several hours for the mattress to expand to its full 3 inches. Each corner also has a strap that you can attach around the corners of your mattress. So we finally got the entire mattress pad out of the plastic, and this is what it looks like. You can see there's quite a lot of lumps where the mattress was folded and rolled up. And here's the zipper you can actually open to remove the cover to wash it. And then inside is the actual memory foam. For now, we're going to let this mattress topper lie here. The instruction says to leave it for 48 hours, so we'll come back in a follow-up video to show you what it looks like after 48 hours. In the meantime, here's a tag listing out the materials of the mattress topper, and this is the other tag that provides all the care instructions to wash and dry the cover.